Today I have a little haul of things that I've purchased recently, so I wanted to share these with you. So I have some things from Diamond Press, from Fawn's last release, and then a couple of things from Griffin. So let's jump into it. So first I have the Diamond Press, what is this called? The Happy Mail little box set. You know me and Diamond Press's boxes. I love how well coordinated and easy to do they are. So as soon as I saw this, I thought it was super cute. So these are all the dies that come with it, and then the stamps, and I really love this. I love anything like mail and postal. And so what this does is it creates a three-dimensional box that you can put a gift card into it, and then it has all these super cute embellishments. You know, this is to add to the front of the box, the little seals, stamps, little postcard things, super cute, you know, very a la Diamond Press. Let me see if they have a picture of the completed, which I'm sure they do. So this is what it will look like. So it's a box, and so once it is completed, that's what it looks like, a little box. Super cute. So I can't wait to jump into this, and so that's what the finished product would look like. And it comes with little confetti dies as well. So like I said, can't wait to jump into this one because it looks super cute and I'm very excited to try it. Whoops. All right, next I picked up the bat flyer refill. I didn't pick up the whole kit, I just picked up the little bats. And this is similar to the butterfly they released last time. So you put them together, you spin it around, and then you put it inside a card, and then it'll fly out when the recipient opens it. So I thought this would be fun. I don't typically make a bunch of Halloween cards, but I think it would be fun to add it to like maybe a box, which I will be making. So I'll show you that next. So this is the box that I ordered. So this is the Halloween treat bags, and so what this comes with is a treat bag, like a favor bag, like a generic one, and then all the little pieces that you can add to it. So you can make a Dracula head, a cat head, a Frankenstein head, and let's see if it has like what it would look like. So it would look like this when it's done. See? Super cute, really simple, because, you know, like I mentioned before, I do love Diamond Press's boxes. I think they're easy and really cute. So that's the little treat bag, and then all the pieces to make the little Frankenstein or bat. And then it does come with some cute sentiment stamps, vampire bites, spooky treats, frankly you're the best, very cute. So, and it did come with little bits of acetate so that you can cover up the hole. I think it's this one right here for peekaboo in the bag to see the treats. So I will definitely be making these for Halloween. And then the last little Halloween is the arrival of the next in the auto ship. This is the this is the Shadow Box auto ship. So this is like the third one, I think, or the fourth one. Anyway, it's called Hello Pumpkin. This is also available, I believe, on the Diamond Press site. And it comes with the cutout, which has little spider webs on the sides. And then it comes with a bunch of other little things. Here we go. So it comes with an owl, a scary witch, a scary spider. Well, I have a tarantula, so to me, I don't mind spiders. Ghosts, eek, and then some sentiments. So really cute, very cute. So we'll see if I make a couple of these. The stamps are really cute. Here are the dies. So these are all the dies, and then the insert piece, and then the stamps, big bold sentiments, which are nice. Ooh, looks like the Psycho House right here. There. And then the Frankenstein and a mummy or a zombie. Very cute. Halloween's fun. I just don't really make a lot of Halloween stuff. But maybe this year I have plenty, so it'll motivate me to crank some out. All right, now let's move on to Anna Griffin. I only have a couple of things that I picked up recently. One was the auto ship of the next Shutter card dies, and this is Drapery. This one is absolutely beautiful. I mean, they all have been really gorgeous, but look at this. This is spectacular. So, of course, you have this very like drapery kind of look. Look at these tassels. This is beautiful. All of them have been beautiful, and I've made so many with the other sets that have come. I feel like this one has been a bang for my buck in terms of use. Once you like make a couple, these will just crank out so fast. So I'm very excited. This is beautiful. So I know I will be using this very soon. And then I also picked up the 120 wreath stickers and sentiments. So these are the little round sentiments, and I think these are all birthdays, it looks like. And then these are the wreaths, and these are stickers, of course, like it says in the box. And so they're dimensional. There's 2 layers. What I like to do sometimes is I just peel off the top layer and use it in like my other kits and stuff, because they're both fully printed, and so it's easy to remove that little thing. So the little foamy, so a little, you know, stretch this out a little bit. But these are beautiful, and there's a ton, there's a whole bunch. So this is a nice one. So I know they have one for Christmas, and I'm very tempted to get that one, but you can see from the box the designs that it comes with. So yeah, this one was a good one. So I specifically bought this for, you know, that box card pop-up window one. So that's what I had in mind, and so yeah. So actually I made one a little bit while ago. I'm giving this to a friend, but as you can see, I used the wreath and it fits perfectly. And I removed one of them, and then I used the other one on the back. So yeah, so this is what I had that wreath in mind. And so yeah, so I think it works perfectly for this. I got the tiny winter friends. These are super cute. These tiny little people in wintry not costumes, but in wintry clothes with some little wintry accessories. Little snowman, reindeer. These are so cute and so tiny. And of course, homie is not going to cut these out by hand. So I think the dies are a must for these little ones. So that's cute. And I also picked up the tiny birthday friends, because I don't know where I was where I didn't see this last time, but they're super cute. And these are birthday themed ones. So here he's with the bandana around his head, and hit the piñata, presents, everybody bringing presents, and very festive. And of course, again, not messing with scissors on this one. So I did get the dies that coordinate. And then I also picked up Furry and Bright. So these cute little puppies, even though the body might not match my little Cocker Spaniel, I feel like the little head part is. So I might put her in some of my Christmas cards, and I did get the coordinating dies for that. This was a freebie from Fawn. So it's called Say What Holiday Critters. I think that's very cute. Little kitty, penguin, and the deer in their Christmas clothes. So this one again was the freebie at Fawn. And then I also got this freebie, and it's Griffin Friends. So I think this might have been released before, but it's cute. Little lion and lots of, I like this great sentiment. I also picked up the Christmas garland. So anything greenery, especially like this, I like, because I don't have a lot of, you know, garland type things. I have wreaths, but I like the garland, like the size. and it comes with a little bow. So yeah, I thought it was very cute, something that I could use different points of the year, not just Christmas or winter. I also picked up the Magic Iris Snowflake add-on. So I love the snowflake design. I do love the Magic Iris, so I think I'll be making some of these for Christmas, and definitely out of some really pretty paper. And next is the window frame. So truth be told, I really got it for the curtains. I do have a couple of window sets from Hero Arts, but I liked it, and so here's a design on the back. So that is the window frame. Of course, I could not go without picking up their latest, I should say, interactive die, which is Flippy Flappy. So this is the die set, and then this is what it does. So when you pull on it, the little insert pops out just like that. So a gift card or another image or something like that. Super cute. And I also picked up another packet of, let's see, what is this? Sparkle cardstock, the pixie dust. I go through this quite a lot because this happens to be my favorite white glitter paper. I like the colors in it that, you know, kind of pop out of the paper. So I like the color, I like the quality. It's expensive to me for only 5 sheets, but it is the one I like the most. So but it's very good, very, very good. The glitter doesn't come off, and like I said, it's very good quality. I really like it. I wish it was not so pricey. And then lastly, I picked up the latest paper pack, which is Let It Shine Snowflakes. I got the 12 by 12 collection as well as the 6 by 6, and this is really pretty. This is one of probably my favorites. It's really simple in terms of the patterns, but I like all of them. Like, this is a paper pack that I can see myself using all of them. So one of the papers is going to be your foiled silver snowflakes, and then the other side is going to be just white little flurries of snow. Nothing, you know, just printed. And then you get white paper with silver snowflakes, and then kind of a little bit gray on white, and then silver on gray, and then white flurries on gray, green and silver snowflakes, and then flurries on green, and this pretty blue, and then the blue on whites, or the white flurries on blue, and then this kind of turquoise. It's still pretty. So, and then it will repeat, but I really, really like this paper. There's, to me, no duds in here. You know, usually there's that one pattern I'm not a fan of, or 2 patterns I'm not a fan of, but I like them all. So that is it for my haul, friends. If there's anything that you saw that you would love to see me attack first, let me know, and I will put it on my to-do. So I will, like I said, I'll be coming with a couple videos. They're on the dock, ready to go. So thank you for joining me today. Until next time, bye.